How do you build your Minecraft mod into a jar file? If you want to go deeper, the 26.x modding courses are linked down below. 30 plus hours covering complex block entities with fluid and energy handling, custom mobs, custom networking, and even custom biomes and dimensions. Everything you need for 26.x all in one place, linked down below in the description. Well, this is actually very easy, and yes, this works for Forge, NeoForge Fabric, I think even Quilt in theory. It's going to be all the same, and you simply, when you have your project open in IntelliJ over here, I do recommend IntelliJ. Theoretically, if you're working in anything else, that also works, but then you need to know where your Gradle tasks are. You want to open the Gradle tasks, go to build, and double click the build task over here, which is going to build your custom project into a jar file. The jar file will then be situated and located under the build folder instead of libs, and it's going to have the name. So this is going to be your mod ID dash, and then whatever the version is that you have defined in the Gradle properties file right here. Do note that if you do this in IntelliJ, at the top right corner, the default run configuration will then be turned into build. So you want to change this either to run client or to the client, so that next time you run the game, it's not going to just build it again. That would be kind of crazy. And this jar file, you can now take, you can, upload it to CurseForge, to Modrinth. You can share it with your friends to play your mod together. So pretty easy and really easily done. Yeah, there you go. That's going to be it for this tutorial right here. Hope to see you next time. So, yeah.